Hey guys, Andre here. I got to talk to you about something I got recently. Now, I'm sure most of you are familiar with it or familiar with something like it, but I haven't really seen one that was good in my opinion. And I grew up with these things, so I really wanted to share this with you today. This is the OzBraai Camp Braai. It's the larger of the two versions they sell. There's the Camp Braai and the Travel Braai. The cool thing with that is, if you get both versions, the Travel Braai actually fits in here. So you can have one bag for the two Camp Braais. Now, what is amazing about these things is just the versatility of them. And I'll explain what I mean by that. So this is the main unit. As you can see, it's had some use. The cool thing with these is they're pretty much self-cleaning. If you just stick them in the fire after you've used them, they turn out relatively clean. Give them a brush with a wire brush and you're pretty much good to go. Stick it in a dishwasher, it's perfect. Now, this is a grill basket for the uninitiated. In South Africa we call them roosters or braai roosters. There's two pieces. First piece is the basket that you deposit your delicious food in. The second piece is what holds it all in place. And as you can see here, there are three individual settings. So I think the maximum width you can put something in here is about, 6 centimeters or so, which is fairly significant. You'll see me do some South African braaibroodjies in this over the weekend, which turned out amazingly, by the way. One of the key things of that is you can feed 5 to 6 adults with one of these in one sitting. It's absolutely phenomenal. I'll show you the rest of the components real quick. I'll just get this one out of the way. This is probably the thing that makes it the most versatile, and it's the first time that I've seen something like that done with the Camp Braais. The cool thing with this is this slots right in there. You can lock it into place. You can even use this little funky little triangle vibe to lock it into place even more. What is amazing about this is you've got these individual heat settings. All right, 3 individual distinctive points of heat. What you could also do is rest something on top of this, like a camp oven, which is a great idea, by the way, which then you can vary the heat fairly significantly. Other option, of course, which is quite cool, is hooking the entire thing onto the front, and then you can reverse sear with that, cook a whole fish, whatever you want to do. This thing's also not going to go anywhere. You can place this directly in the fire. It's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. There we go. I highly recommend this. This is the Camp Braai from OzBraai, so the largest of the two versions. I cannot recommend it enough. It is a phenomenal piece of kit. It's a very, very small package. It folds down. Yeah, it takes up a bit of space, but I mean, if you're going to be cooking for a few people, or if you're into open fire cooking, I don't think there's any better utensil than this one. Now, I got to thank Harry from Fire to Fork for putting us onto these. Like I said, I hadn't seen one before. I saw it on one of his videos and man, blew me away. Please check out his channel if you want to really see how to use it properly. By no means am I an expert. I'm still learning myself. But Fire to Fork, check out Harry's channel. He cooks with this pretty much all of the time. So if you want some tips about how to do it properly, check his out. And yeah, I'm not going to be using this again tonight. I think this weekend I've put it through its paces. And yeah, look, I'll come back to you again with an update if there is one. But as far as I'm concerned, this thing is amazing and it is absolutely worth the money that it costs. I don't even think it's expensive. I bought this with my own money. OzBraai is not involved in this video at all. I highly recommend it. If you're in the market for an open fire barbecue utensil, go check them out. Thanks guys. I'll see you soon.